Sarfaraz was a poor rickshaw puller in Banaras. His days were spent pulling his rickshaw through the narrow alleys, and nights taking care of his ailing mother. His life was full of hardship, but he always kept his heart pure and honest. One night, as he was returning home late after dropping off a passenger, he saw a mysterious woman standing alone near the desolate Shah Haveli. Her long black hair covered her face, and she was wearing an old, tattered red sari. She signaled him to come near. Sarfaraz, a little hesitant but moved by compassion, brought his rickshaw closer. She softly said, "I need to go to the burning ghat." Sarfaraz, without questioning, helped her get in and started riding. As they passed through a quiet alley, the temperature suddenly dropped. A strange fog enveloped the road. Sarfaraz looked back. The rickshaw was empty. Frightened, he sped up and reached the ghat. There, the priest looked at him in shock and said, "Son, who dropped you off here at this hour?" Sarfaraz told him everything. The priest took a deep breath and said, "The one you brought here isn't human. She was one of the souls trapped in Shah Haveli, possessed souls who cannot find peace." After that night, Sarfaraz became entangled in a series of supernatural events. Every night, someone from Shah Haveli would call him. And every time, a new secret would reveal itself. Secrets of people who had mysteriously disappeared over the years. He wasn't just giving rides anymore, he was helping trapped souls find peace. But the biggest mystery still awaited him. Who was the woman he helped that night? And why did he start seeing her in his dreams, calling him deeper into the Haveli?